Today we are making a Chinese-style baked black sesame cheesecake. This recipe serves 10 people and takes about 7 hours including chilling. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 24 ounces of cream cheese, softened. 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. 1/2 cup of black sesame paste. 3 large eggs at room temperature. 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. 2 tablespoons of toasted black sesame seeds for the crust. 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. 1 tablespoon of toasted black sesame seeds for garnish. Hot water for the water bath, as needed. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Celsius. Line the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment paper. Wrap the outside with 2 layers of foil to waterproof it, and bring hot water to a boil for the water bath. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons of toasted black sesame seeds, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir until the mixture looks like wet sand. Press the crumbs firmly into the bottom of the springform pan. Bake for 10 minutes, then set the pan on a rack to cool while you make the filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat 24 ounces of cream cheese with 3/4 of a cup of sugar until completely smooth, about 2 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of black sesame paste and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and beat until fully incorporated. Beat in 3 large eggs one at a time on low speed, scraping the bowl, and mix just until each egg is absorbed. Mix in 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt just until smooth. Do not overmix. Tap the bowl on the counter several times to release air bubbles. Pour the batter over the crust and smooth the top. Set the springform inside a deep roasting pan, then pour hot water around it to reach halfway up the sides. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Celsius, for 55 to 65 minutes, until the edges are set and the center still wobbles slightly. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let the cheesecake rest inside for 1 hour. Remove the pan from the water bath, unwrap the foil, run a thin knife around the edge to loosen, and cool at room temperature for about 1 hour. Cover and refrigerate until fully chilled, at least 4 hours or overnight. Release the springform, transfer to a serving plate, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of toasted black sesame seeds on top, slice with a hot knife, and serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this baked black sesame cheesecake, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to get new videos. See you next time.